5 Top User Access Restriction Plugin for WordPress. A quality content will help to bring a large number of visitors to your website. But today protecting the content of your website is very important. Restrict Content Plugins helps bloggers to keep data or content privately secured. Here are the top 5 free user access restriction plugins for. At number 1 is User Role Editor. It has more than 600,000 active installations and 209 5. At number 2 is Ultimate Member Plugin. It has more than 200,000 active installations and 931 5 stars. At number 3 is Paid Memberships Pro. It has more than 100,000 active installations and 340 5 stars. At number 4 is User Registration and User Profile. It has more than 60,000 active installations and 481 5. At number 5 is Content Control User Access Restriction Plugin. It has more than 20,000 active installations and 160